All right, we're gonna do a quick unboxing here. This way. And voila. That looks dope. All right, here it is. It's a brushed aluminum finish with a slight tint to it. So kind of give you that sort of like that gunmetal look, but also have the brush finish to it. Polished lip. And I do like, I don't know if you can tell from here, but this thing is super light compared to any other 18-inch. It has a little concave to it, which is pretty awesome. I like that design. Kind of curious how much this weight. I don't have a scale, but it feels really light. So that's the new wheel going into the 240Z. Motegi. So two-piece aluminum. So the back is welded. Can't really see from here, but it's a welded two-piece, which makes it strong and light, and it's forged aluminum. So yeah, make sure you guys check out Motegi. This is the mf145, I believe. Yeah, mf145. You can get it in any offsets you like, any bolt pattern. They make it as you order it. So that's gonna be the new wheel. Super excited. Let's put some tires on this thing. And this thing's gonna be wrapped with, of course, the best Falcon 660 RT. That's their newest one. So that was, from what I understood, it's a lot stickier. Well, it's stickier than the 615s. So can't wait to try that out, especially with the new motor going in. Definitely gonna need that. Awesome.